What's up, y'all? I'll be going over Nasdaq's price action on Wednesday, December 11th. I did not enter a trade on Wednesday simply because price just didn't match up with all my confluences that day. So basically, just to start off, I marked up my high time frame draws and liquidity. So I marked up these highs, these lows. This white line right here is a high on the 15-minute time frame. And I marked up this BPR, so fair value gap here, fair value gap here, the area in between. And we end up seeing pre-market, we end up seeing, or actually, wait a minute. This was the day before, so we're not concerned about that actually. But I mean, that's a good example, right? We see BPR right here, price closes below it, wait for a retracement, taps into it, does not actually close above it on the 4 hour, and then we get a whole move down, which is like $300 or something like that. But whatever, we're not worried about that, right? So we're looking at Wednesday's price action. So marked up our draws and liquidity on the 1 hour or 4 hour, and then the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, we see this candle close. That's indicating bullish price action. And we also see, actually, hold up. Never mind. But whatever. We see price moving upwards right here. If we scale down to the 15-minute, we will also see a lot more bullish price action. So this right here is prior to market open, right? So I'm thinking we close below this BPR, we retrace downwards. Could we be filling in more orders here? Possibly. However, I'm not too convinced about that. So let's get rid of that for right now. And we see, I'm mainly concerned, honestly, with these three draws on liquidity. Obviously, this being irrelevant now because, well, not actually, but whatever. Actually, it is though, because we already moved above it. Whatever. So I'm mainly concerned with these two draws on liquidity, and honestly, I'm thinking we will reach one of these levels, and we will probably go down. So honestly, my take on the day was bearish. I was completely wrong. I mean, look at this price action for the day. So yeah, I was just waiting for price to reach one of these liquidity levels and to at least take a retracement off of it to possibly this to one of these lows, or at least just retrace into like equilibrium or something into this fair value gap possibly, or something like that. So I'm just waiting for a retracement to the downside, but we just simply did not get that. If we scale down to the 5-minute, we scale down to the 5-minute, we simply just have bullish price action this whole time. We see no rejection off of these liquidity levels. We see none of it. So, oh yeah, we see these three black candles down. I mean, that really means nothing at all to me, right? We're sweeping, like, there's no liquidity laying in here. So, and I'm pretty sure this is all time highs right here. So I really don't know what to do here. I'm thinking I'm probably just stay out of the market for right now. So, and that's what I did. And I marked up, I think this was a BPR on the 1 hour, just as an example. Shoot. Okay. So we have this BPR right here. And we see closure below it, so we're thinking bearish. We see a retracement into it, and now we're actually on Thursdays, which, whatever, right? Now that we're here, I might as well talk about it. We see a retracement into this, what's it called? BPR, and we see downwards movement from there. And basically it's just downwards move from there. I mean, obviously we're on a higher time frame. You could say, all right, we swept this. Sorry, this is actually low. Never mind. Forget what I just said. But yes, basically, close below this BPR. We retrace back into it, and we see capitulation to the downside from there. So obviously we're on Thursdays there. That's irrelevant to what we're talking about right now. But like I was showing you guys, right? Like honestly, I saw no rejection off of these liquidity levels. No rejection whatsoever. It was just bullish price action, and I just really saw no area to enter a trade off of. So yeah, I mean, I stayed out of the markets, and so far up until this point, we're still profitable in the week. Monday and Tuesday were two pretty good days, and so yeah, I have no problem staying out of the markets for today. I'm just not willing. I just wasn't willing to risk it, honestly. So yeah, boys, that's basically my trading recap for Wednesday. Peace out.